Alright guys, here's a video of the coop that we built. This was our COVID project. I think it's 8 feet the coop, and the run is either 10 or 12 feet, and I believe it's 5 feet wide. So I'll show you the inside first. We actually have combination locks on every door. So this inside, we have the laminate flooring here, and then it's actually laminate flooring back there, and then we have a little fan for them up top because it does get pretty warm here. We're in the south, get a little warm in the summer. So inside we have a couple shelves for buckets for their food and snacks and stuff, and then to hold our boots. And then each of these windows does have hardwire cloth, and then also screen inside of it. The feeling was, or the thinking was mosquitoes, but the mosquitoes can get in through there. But anyway, then over top of the roost, they have another vent, and the roost, and then in their roost box, I put in, I think it's called PZ Refresher or Refresher PZ or something. You can get it at Tractor Supply, and it's actually used for horse stalls, but it works really well. It helps keep that ammonia smell down. We clean every day, if not every other day, so we really don't have that problem. And then inside they have 4 nesting boxes. We do have a door that's on a string that we can close if we want to, but we don't leave it open all year round so they can go in and out. Then next to our garden, so we can feed them all the scraps. Then, like I mentioned before, we have hardwire cloth that actually goes all the way down, all the way out, around the whole coop. Then on this side we have the clean out, so we can unscrew it and latch it up and then just pull all the shavings out. So when we clean the coop, it makes it really super easy. Then here is the run. Again, the hardwire cloth all the way down and all the way out, and then actually it's sandwiched in between these 2 pieces of wood, so nothing can really pull it. And then where I did have the problem was like here, I put those washers because when we first built it, something was trying to get into here. Did pull it up a little bit, but not much, so I went crazy with washers. And we have the latch, and then a latch on the bottom. And then inside it's river sand that we get from a local nursery, roost. And they have 2 water feeders, and then they have 2 food feeders, and then they have oyster shells, and then some I always forget the name of it, the rock stuff. Anyway, that's underneath the ramp. And then we actually have a fan out here too that we run when it gets really hot. And then inside up here, because it was open, we actually went ahead and put pieces of wood so nothing can even crawl up and get into there, which would be like a weasel, which I don't even know if we have here. But and then on this side, it's my ghetto sunshade that I made for the summer, because we get so much sun in the afternoon. And then here is their nesting boxes, and then the other window, and that's it. It took us a while to build it. I don't remember how long, since it was in lockdown. I have something better to do. And here's a chicken tractor where they spend most of their days, so I'll go ahead and make a video on that one.